will be looking at how to use trim and lowercase function together. I have shown in my previous videos how to use the trim function, how to use the lower function, and how to use the upper function. We will see these two functions together, how to use these two functions together. So let's start. In the cell, type in equal to, then write trim, then open bracket, then write lower, and then open bracket and type in the text which you want to do. So I just use this text and close the bracket and close the bracket. Hit enter. You can see all the letters are being done into a small lowercase, and all the data is trimmed down, all the gaps are trimmed down. You can copy this function across and you will see you are having all the data in a very much proper form, and at the same time all the spaces are trimmed down, so a consistency in the data is being done. Same case with the uppercase, just write in equal to, then trim, then open bracket, then upper upper, then open bracket, and then take the text and then close bracket and close bracket. Hit enter. You will find all the letters are being done into a uppercase at the same time. All are being trimmed down, all the gaps are being trimmed down. These are very much useful functions while doing a data analysis on the text based data, and to understand what the data is saying, so that there is a consistency in your data, and your algorithm data algorithms are very much easier to understand what the data is saying to them, and a proper results can be generated. So I hope you will practice on this both functions, trim, lower and the upper. These functions are the soul of data analysis. See you in the next video. Thank you.